Ever pondered on the secret to concocting a refreshing Virgin Mojito right at home? Well, the mystery unravels today. No more waiting for the weekend to visit your favorite bar. It's time to bring the bar to you. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need a cup of fresh mint leaves, a couple of tablespoons of sugar, a lime, ice cubes, a cup of club soda, and some extra mint sprigs for garnishing. Now, let the magic unfold. Start by taking a glass. Add your fresh mint leaves and sugar into it. The next step is to muddle these two together. This isn't just about mixing, it's about releasing the flavor of the mint. The aroma of fresh mint will tell you when you've done it right. Next, it's time to invite our zesty friend to the party. Cut the lime into wedges and squeeze them into the glass. Be mindful of those sneaky seeds though. They're not invited to this flavor fest. Once the lime has joined the mix, it's time to cool things down. Add ice cubes to the glass. Now pour the club soda over the ice. The bubbles will dance with the mint and lime, creating a symphony of flavors. Give it a gentle stir to make sure everyone gets acquainted. And for the final touch, garnish with mint sprigs. A little tip here, you can always add more sugar or lime juice according to your taste. After all, this is your personal homemade Virgin Mojito. And there you have it, a refreshing, tangy, and minty Virgin Mojito made right in the comfort of your home. So, sit back, take a sip, and let the flavors take you on a tropical journey. Cheers to you and your bartending skills.